Hello fellow YouTubers, LuckyWC Stop Motioner here. I just got an eBay package I ordered the other day. I'm not really gonna do it with my face showing because I really don't feel like putting my mask on right now. So yeah, that's that. Just trying to get in with my kid's scissors because I forgot to get the cutter. I'm excited about this though. Let's just let's see here. Just do this. I'm not really doing this the right way, but oh well. All right. Now I would do this live, but it seems that on weekdays I don't really get a whole lot of views when I go live. So I just want to ask you guys, like, is there really a time of day that would work better for live streams? Because I'd like to know, because I would like these to get more attention. Dang it, why can't I? All right. I said I'm trying to do all this without showing the information. Always gotta wait for yourself. Don't follow my bad example I keep setting. All right, just open, would you? Dang it, this thing's dusting everywhere. Ah, there we go. All right, packing peanuts, and all right, just stick this off to the side. Very excited about what's in here. Transformers Prime, Robots in Disguise, RC. Nice thing is, the person who owned this before me actually made some paint modifications, so I really appreciate that. Now this is incomplete. I kind of wanted to get it incomplete though because there's a third-party upgrade kit on Shapeways that has better looking weapons. So I wanted to get this figure incomplete and see if I could do it for a better price. So when I get that, then I'll review this figure. So either way, that's this unboxing video. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and God bless.